VCP's Single Sign-On, also known as SSO, integration allows your team to log in effortlessly using their existing credentials. This integration simplifies access management and offers secure authentication, eliminating the need to manage multiple credentials. This results in less trouble, faster access, and minimized security risks. To start, you'll need to set up SSO in your VCP settings. This setup involves inputting the Assertion Consumer Service URL, entity ID, allowed domains, and mapping the attributes. Furthermore, you'll need to include the details of your identity provider. In this case, we're using Okta. After you've completed these steps, don't forget to save your changes. Once you've enabled SSO, you can check its functionality by clicking on Test SAML SSO. Simply input your credentials and click Sign In. With SSO enabled, team members can securely log in without the need for manual login. This ensures safe and secure authentication, along with simplified user management. So, are you ready to improve your team's access and security? Enable SSO in VCP today.